Okay, there we go. All right, this is Shapeshifters episode like
I'm not
6.
holding the camera. Yay!
So basically we're out here
really
to.
the 6th episode?
I don't know. I was just kind of going off of whatever. Can I zoom? No. Okay. Well, we're back here at the scene of the accident. Basically.
Rematch.
Yeah. Right. Well, not a rematch. I'm not challenging the poll. No.
I guess.
Yeah. Right. So basically, I've been thinking about all week to practice reverse entries. I got a really simple setup back here. Alex, can you run the course for us? He's gonna go backwards. So basically the idea is to come around, as fast as we can, come straight down this way, and then just kind of reverse it and try to make it through where the cone's at, right there, behind the cone like that. So just doing that with the car. Alex over there is gonna do his best too, and we're gonna see if nothing breaks. Oh. Alright.
Okay. That was kind of cool, but I feel like it's just an entry. Oh shit, that was cool. I mean, this is crazy being right here.
I threw it too much and I'm like, okay, I gotta go back.
That was.
All right, so here we have Alex's warm-up attempt. All right. Oh my God, what's wrong, buddy? What's wrong with your car? Oh no, I can't so much shit. Come on, do it one more time, man. Do it one more time, Don. Just hit it. Okay. Always got a different fucking tail light out. It's like always different. Here it comes. Here it comes, dogs.
Well, you saved the cone.
Oh, my clutch got stuck. No wonder. I'm here like, where's it at?
What?
It got stuck down.
Is it in right now?
No, it was for
okay.
a second extra. Like, I was like, where is my thing?
It's out.
All right, well, last one, and then I'm calling it. I guess that's
Never say last one. Like
I guess
that.
it.
Just saying. You never say that. Never. Good. We're going to be doing a SIKKY header install on the LS240. It's not going to be super in-depth like the PBM Hydro install, but you'll get a gist of it for sure. And I don't know, maybe you'll like it.
Yeah, ask any questions.
Yeah. So first off, we're going to go ahead and unbox the headers. These are 1 7/8 headers with a 3.5-inch collector. Pretty overkill for the setup that I have, but ooh, I got a decent deal, I guess. So as you can see, they were returned because they got all scratched up during shipping, but that's perfect for me because I got a good deal on them. So this would be the
Passenger.
So we'll kind of leave that over here.
Yeah, the weather's not cooperating today, so.
Yeah, not at all. It's like
What the fuck was that?
it's like it's raining on and off, and more on than off. So we're under a tent right here with a ghetto light setup.
Yeah, shout out to Costco.
Obviously, the first thing is going to be to remove these stock headers. It's pretty self-explanatory if you have this. I mean, it's just a couple bolts on each header. I already have the whole pretty much exhaust system taken out, so obviously you want to do that first before doing anything.
By the way, these are the ones that caught fire.
Oh yeah.
This
well,
was the.
they don't know about that.
They don't know about that.
No, I didn't really.
Well, there was a fire there.
Yeah, the exhaust strap, I guess, had some old fluids on it and caught fire, which is not great. I don't know. You didn't see it because we didn't get it on film.
And I put it out so damn fast.
Yeah,
That shit was quick. I risked my life apparently. These guys are screaming at me. Don't open the hood!
Yeah. Alright, so now as you can see, we've already taken out the old manifolds, which are right there. Those things are garbage. First, we do have to remove the steering shaft. We have to loosen it from here, remove the bottom bolt, and it should just pull up and out, and then we have to kind of just hang it out of the way for right now. Anyways, all right, so by the grace of God, we got the headers up and in here.
Steering shaft is down there.
Yeah, steering shaft down there. So we got them in here. I had to pull out the steering shaft because it literally was not going to go in any other way without lifting up the motor, which wasn't going to happen. Which was not, that was not going to happen.
We tried, which we got to tighten the motor mounts.
Yeah, we tried.
Down.
So anyways, we're going to continue now. The other side should be a lot easier. We actually did with the hardest part, or the hardest side I should say, first, which is awesome.
What they say is the hardest side.
Yeah, what they say is the hardest side. So I mean, but I'm gonna take their word for them hopefully, and we'll see how the other side goes. So, we got everything pretty much in place. We gotta bolt everything up now. It's been a mission.
Nah, yeah. It wasn't like plug and play.
It was definitely wasn't. Definitely a two-person job. If you have another person,
yeah,
it's much. Unless you have a lift, right?
No, lift I guess would be. Even then, you probably want somebody in the top side.
Yeah,
the
definitely.
Top side guiding,
definitely,
you know.
2 people is gonna be like optimal for this kind of job.
Passenger side, go from the bottom, easy
Passenger
peasy.
side, super easy. That was no problem. Now it's just a case of bolting everything up. So we got the miscellaneous things: fuel pressure regulator, spark plugs or wires,
Catch
all
can.
bolted in, catch can, things like that. It's just bolting everything in. It should be good to go. Buttoned everything up. Now comes the moment of truth. Let's fire this up. It's probably gonna be super loud because it's open header.
Yeah.
And
yeah, super loud. Yeah.
Well, so check it out.
Freaking loud.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Hold on. Let me see if I can get some of the action. Can I flip it? No?
My neighbors are gonna hate me.